Hello everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership, Pomeroy, Ohio. We have another vehicle we're getting ready to put up. I'd like to share this with you. This is a 2012 Jeep Liberty 4x4. It does have black cloth interior, a 3.7 liter V6 engine. So let's go ahead and do a quick walk around. Okay guys, here I've got the hatch open. You'll see you've got actually plenty of room back here. And let's go ahead and take a peek up overhead. Now one cool thing with this, it does have a button right here. You can push that, and if you notice, the back glass does pop up. Pretty cool. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we'll go ahead and continue with our walk around on the driver's side. As you can see, the body appears to be in very good condition on this. And you do have very good tread on the tires. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. So here we are. Like I said earlier, you do have black cloth interior. Get up here to show the headliner, back of your seats. You do have a place to put two drinks. Let's take a look up front. Now, before we do get in, I want to notice an emblem right here. You may not be able to see it, but you do have heated mirrors. Okay, so here we are up front. Show you inside. Swing around on the dash. And we'll go ahead and take a look at the door panel here with everything, and then we'll hop inside. Okay, here we are on the inside. Get in here where you can see the instrument gauges. Pull back. You do have cruise control with your controls on the right side of your wheel. Additional buttons here. Let's scan over here to your audio, your stereo system. Now this does have satellite SiriusXM radio capabilities, CD player, your climate control right there. And right down here is your controls to switch back and forth between two-wheel drive and your four-wheel drive. A couple cup holders and a storage area. And you can see the back seat from here. So that's it, guys. That's our newest member, our 2012 Jeep Liberty 3.7 V6 engine. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We've got a lot of financing options available. So with that, have a great day.